What's the meaning of Azure? Azure. Azure.
Azure. Azure. Azure is a term that refers to the blue color of the sky on a clear day. It can also refer to a cloud computing platform created by Microsoft, which provides various services such as virtual machines, data storage, and application development. The name Azure was chosen to reflect the platform's focus on cloud computing and its ability to provide a wide range of services in the cloud. Overall, Azure represents both the beauty and power of the cloud, offering users a powerful and versatile platform for their computing needs.